Hi guys, as you can see, this is one of the projects somebody sent us money from Imo State. I know some of you are being afraid that when we talk about way bill, he might eat our money. If we send him money, he won't be able to do it. As you can see now, this is white color and this is gray. As you can see, this one now is going to Imo State. Two of them. This is two different buildings. It's going to Imo State. Any moment from now, they will be on their way. The owner of this project have never seen me for one day. Till now, he has never seen me face to face. He only saw me on Facebook and he chatted me. He paid the money 100%, and now we are loading them to move. I'm doing this video so that some of you that always think that if we send him money, he will not deliver, you will understand now that we are not like that. We are very straightforward in our dealings. This is collapsible nets. Two of the colors are two different buildings, and now we are loading them. This motor will take off from Abuja here down to the east. It's heading to Imo State. By this time tomorrow, this net will be at the site for installation. They already have gotten somebody who took the measurement and sent to us, and then the same person will install it for them. So I want to do this video so that some of you who are afraid not to send money for us to do work for them, they will understand that we are not like that. The quality he paid for, exactly the same we are sending to them. We don't reduce anything. So as you can see, we are loading them now. As soon as we finish now, I can tell you that the work will be on the way to Imo State. I also want to use this opportunity to let you know that we deliver nationwide. We deliver to Lagos, northern side, eastern side, southwest, southeast, just like you can see this one now going to southeast. The day before yesterday, we sent to Abia State. That one has been installed because the man received it the day before yesterday, and then yesterday it was installed. So feel free to reach out to us anytime you need your collapsible net in any state you are in Nigeria. It will be properly fabricated and sent to you. As you can see, any moment from now, they will be on their way. We will send it to you. We will add even the silicone for installation. We will send all of that for you. Thank you so much, guys. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.